Hello my dears, hello my YouTubers, Natalia with you, your insider and travel guide from Belarus. I was really happy to get your requests and questions about Belarus, about how to come to Belarus after I posted my video of opened land borders and lifted COVID restrictions. It means that you are interested to come to Belarus. But there are so many important things that you have to know before coming to Belarus, and this video will be exactly about them. So stay till the end. It is so important to know these travel tips and travel rules. Well, let's start. So we have opened borders with Poland, Latvia and Lithuania from the middle of April, and you can come to Belarus by bus or by car. Unfortunately, there is no train connection with these countries, so only these options you can use if you plan to come to Belarus. The easiest way which you can use is to come to Belarus by bus. There are few international companies, transport companies, which organize transfers from Minsk to Warsaw to Vilnius and to Riga every day on daily basis. So you can check their schedule. I'm leaving the links down below this video. You can buy a ticket and come to Belarus. So let's go through checklist of important documents which you must have if you travel to Belarus. First, despite that fact that all COVID restrictions are lifted over here, anyway, you must have PCR test which is not older than 3 days, or you need to have a certificate of vaccination. Below this video, I'm leaving useful link from our website of State Border Committee of Belarus, where you can find this information. Please check it out, it is very important. Second, this is medical insurance. And our border guards, they are really strict while they are checking this medical insurance. So what is important to know about this medical insurance? First of all, if you make it in your country, make sure that Belarus, literally the word Belarus, is written in this insurance. It means that it can be written over there that this medical insurance is valid for all countries and Belarus. It is important. If you don't have it, no worries, you can make this medical insurance upon arrival to Belarus border, and where you can find it. So for instance, if you are going through Polish border or through Lithuanian border by your car, after you already passed the Lithuanian border and approaching the Belarusian one, you first of all you have to find the medical insurance office over there, and you can make this insurance for the duration of your stay in Belarus. It also works. If you are crossing the border by bus, please inform the driver that you need to make this medical insurance before you have passport control at the Belarusian border. And it will take you a few minutes and you can get this medical insurance here. Okay? Good luck in this. If you have any questions left about it, please contact me and I will be happy to help you in this topic. Well, the most important thing that you have to know before coming to Belarus through land checkpoints, of course, this is the question of visa. Attention, please. Even if you found that your country is in the list of visa-free entry, this rule works only if you come to Belarus by air, by plane, and come and leave Belarus. Only in this case you can come without visa. If you go through land checkpoints, you need to have visa. I already mentioned it in my previous videos, but I feel that I have to remind it to you. So make sure that you have this visa, which is issued in your country. If you plan to come to Grodno or to Brest regions, you can use this visa-free option. Recently I posted the video about it. You can find it over here. If you have any questions about it, please contact me by private message, okay? Well, another important thing which you have to know if you come to Belarus from Lithuanian side, that Lithuanian border guards, they do not allow people to leave their country with cash more than 60 euro. It means that they somehow check you, and you can only have in cash, in euro, 60 euro. In other currency you can have different amounts. To be honest, I do not know. Do they check it somehow or not? I know that this is the official information which works for everyone who lives Lithuania to Belarus or to other countries. Well, my dear subscribers, if you already passed the border from Lithuania or from Poland, and if you want to share your experience, please leave your comments below this video. It will be helpful for me to inform the others, maybe to avoid any mistakes in the future. Well, I wish you to pass the borders successfully, and when you do it and come to Belarus, of course the most important question is where to stay. And in case if you need any information about accommodation services and how to find any apartments in Belarus, check my video over here. I hope it will be helpful in the future. Don't forget that if you come to Belarus and stay more than 10 days, you need to be registered in a local migration office. How to do it? I will make a new episode and will leave it over here. And if you have some questions about it, don't forget, you can contact me. Well, my dear YouTubers, I wish you to travel wisely. It will save your time, money, and nerve system. If you find this video interesting, informative, and helpful, please hit the bottom like, share, subscribe to my channel to stay informed. And you can thank me by using donation links below this video. Buy me a cup of coffee or a glass of wine. Thanks for staying with me. Stay in touch and travel safe.